Welcome back to the AI Beginner Podcast, the friendly home for anyone learning AI without the overwhelm. I'm Steve, and today we're diving into one of the most common questions I get from new learners. What's the biggest mistake people make when they start using AI? And trust me, once you understand this one thing, AI becomes 10 times easier and 10 times more useful. We'll get to that in a moment, but first, let's jump into today's listener question.
Listen to questions.
Today's question comes from Maria, who asks, "Hey Steve, I've tried using AI, but sometimes it feels like it gives me surface-level answers. Am I doing something wrong?" Great question, Maria. And the short answer is, you're not doing anything wrong. This is something almost everyone experiences in the beginning. AI gives surface-level answers when the instructions are surface-level. The more context, clarity, and direction you give, the better the output becomes. Think of AI like a super fast employee. If you say something like, "make something," you get a crummy response. If you say, "make this for this purpose in this style," well, you get gold. And that actually leads perfectly into today's AI hot tip.
AI hot tip.
The biggest mistake people make when starting with AI is treating it like a magic button instead of a tool that needs clear guidance. Most beginners open ChatGPT and type something vague like, "help me with my job," "write me something," "explain this," and then they're disappointed when the answer stinks. Here's the truth. AI is powerful, but it still needs direction. It's like having a brilliant assistant who waits quietly until you tell them exactly what you need. The more specific you are, the smarter AI becomes. So here are 3 quick fixes that instantly improve your results. Number 1, give AI a role. When you tell AI who it should be, it knows how to think. Instead of saying, "fix my writing, try this," act as my writing coach. Rewrite this paragraph to sound clearer and more friendly, and keep it under 120 words. Or instead of saying, "help me with my project," say, "act as my project assistant. Help me outline a simple 5-step plan for training new staff in plain English." Number 2, add context. Context completely changes the output. Instead of saying, "write a welcome message," try, "write a friendly welcome message for new subscribers who join my AI beginner newsletter." Keep it warm, simple, and under 80 words. Or instead of saying, "explain AI to me," say, "explain AI to me as if I'm brand new and easily overwhelmed by tech." Use simple language and give me one real-life example. Number 3, show examples. AI learns instantly from patterns. Instead of saying, "write this in a better style," try, "rewrite this in the same style as the example below," friendly, simple, and conversational. Here's the tone I want. "Welcome. This is your stress-free way to start learning AI. Now, rewrite my paragraph." Or for creative tasks, instead of saying, "write a product description," say, "write a product description in this style," energetic, beginner-friendly, and easy to skim. Here's an example sentence to match. AI Beginner Academy makes learning AI simple, fun, and totally stress-free. Now, write the description. Once you stop treating AI like a magic button and start treating it like a collaborator, everything gets easier. It becomes clearer, more helpful, and truly your tool. For most people, this simple shift is the moment where AI finally clicks.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
Here's your optimistic thought of the week. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to restore what makes us human. Think about it. AI handles the repetitive, boring, time-consuming tasks, which means you get more time for creativity, people, ideas, opportunities, and growth. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's humans using AI versus humans who don't. And you're already choosing the better path. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.